In today's video, we'll be learning how to divide fractions. To divide fractions, we first have to rewrite the expression. We take the reciprocal of the number being divided, which means you flip the numerator and denominator. Then, with this new number, we multiply it with the number that is divided. Let's take a look at an example. So, 5/6 divided by 2/9. So since we are dividing 5/6 by 2/9, we take the reciprocal of 2/9, which just means that we flip the 2 and the 9. That means we do 5/6 multiplied by 9/2. And then we just go from there. 9 times 5 equals 45. And 6 times 2 equals 12. And since 12 goes into 45 3 times, we get 3. And then we have a remainder of 9, so we get 9/12. Or that just equals 3 3/4. Let's try another example. So let's try 1/2 divided by 6/7. So since 6/7 is being divided, we flip the 6 and the 7, and we get 7/6. So 1/2 times 7/6. And then we just multiply and get 7/12. Pretty easy, right? Okay, now let's try dividing whole numbers with fractions. So for example, let's do 10 divided by 4/5. So since 4/5 is being divided, we flip the 4 and the 5, and we get 5/4. So it is 10 times 5/4. Now, we multiply the 10 by the 5/4, and we get 50/4. And we can simplify, since 4 goes into 50 12 times and has a remainder of 2, that equals 12 2/4, or 12 1/2. Okay, now let's divide a fraction by a whole number. So again, let's use 4/5 at 10 again. So 4/5 divided by 10 this time. So first we have to get the reciprocal of 10, which equals 1/10. So since 10/1 is basically just 10, that means we just flip these. And then we get 1/10. So 4/5 times 1/10 equals 4/50. Okay, let's try a harder example now using mixed numbers. So let's do 4 3/4 divided by 1 2/3. So first we can turn them into improper fractions like we did while multiplying. So first you have to find 4 3/4, which equals to 4 times 4 plus 3, which is 19/4, divided by 1 2/3, which equals 3 times 1 plus 2, which is 5/3. And then we just flip the 5/3 since it's being divided, and we get 19/4 times 3/5. So when we multiply these together, we get 57/20. So since 20 goes into 57 2 times, we get a remainder of 17. So 17/20, which is the correct answer.